Chapter 1. Yeah. The Lone Wolf.
I'm coming for you bastards.
Kembar dia ke? Sebab aku tengok satu je kubur sini kan. Mak ayah dia tak ada.
This is where Saito left me. You're here. You survived.
Tempat orang tikam dia.
I used to help father weed the training ring.
Oh, okay. Emas, yes. Nah, dia dah nama tak balik kan tempat uji sepah.
Pulling these used to give me a rash.
Mana yang cabut lagi nya? Oh tu ah. Tak, tadi macam dah
Mother's toil lantern.
separuh jalan tapi tiba-tiba tadi macam dah separuh jalan tapi tiba-tiba patah balik ke depan. Wih. The Golden... Okay, siapa nak baca-baca aku tak dapat. Tapi ini lebih pada down tag. Yang mana ini ialah mission kita. Yes, this is mission kita lah. Oh, besar map ni. Wih, macam tak besar sangat. Tak apalah, kita terus main lah. Carry on je lah. Okay, jadi kita apa ni?
I remember this view. Jubei stacked them up, and I knocked them down. These stones. Jubei spent a whole summer collecting them. He wanted them to be as tall as Mount Yote. How did Jubei lift these?
This boy.
There you go, brother.
Why are you just standing around?
We're enjoying the view.
We went there once, to the top of Mount Yote, up a path marked by a small ginkgo tree. I was still pregnant with you and your brother.
By the time we reached the summit, your mother's poor feet were so swollen I couldn't take off her shoes.
Why would you make such a climb?
At the summit stands a shrine.
Your mother offered a song, and I gave my best hammer and favorite ink brush.
Then we asked the priests to make omamori for you and your brother.
Can I see them?
We had them keep the charms for you at the shrine.
When you are old enough, you and Jubei will make the climb yourselves and earn the blessings of the mountain.
Banyak gunung pergi ke tokong. Ya, memang damage dia cukup jugalah jap punya. Okay. Apa ni? Okay. Jadi kita nak pergi mana ni? Hotel Telephone Dual Katana Master. Okay, kita nak pergi sini. Kita pergi sini lah. Pergi dekat. Okay, let's go. Kita ke mana? Kita ke sana. Ke... Ui, apa terbakar? Wah, berasap lah.
That's right.
Ah, sudah apa hal ni? Apa tu? Oh. Alamak, bandit ke? Yang suka ni. Dia tak style macam Naruto Shimar.
Someone there? Let's Psycho wants you dead! It's that woman who killed the snake! On a poster.
Oh, nama aku sudah membesar. Nama aku terkenal. Apa? Tok. Berguling. Ambil kau. Ada apa tak? Duit ke apa ke? Tak ada.
Can you free me?
Makcik okey makcik?
It's over.
Oh, bukan
You
makcik.
killed them!
You should go before more show up.
I knew it was bad luck taking this path. Too close to that haunted homestead.
Aku hajarnya
The
mulut.
Yote Six killed an entire family there.
Don't believe everything you hear.
Well, you
Ya.
won't see me near that place again.
Dia tak tahu tu rumah kita tu. Hajar tu. Ya, ada tak apa-apa lagi? Biar ambil. Oh, ni ha. Oh, dia ni. Okay. Oh, boleh bayar barang. Sekejap, ni ambil kapak ke apa? Oh, pisau. Boleh barang lah. Sekejap. Alah, miss. Oh, ni lah. Okay, cantik. Copper. Oh, nice. Oh, boleh buat bunyi. Ni lagi ada apa-apa tak? Rasa itu je kan? Dah. Sayang. Lagi meninggal. Okay, jom sambung perjalanan. Yote ni kalau ikutkan dia nama Tokyo tau. Tokyo sebelum moden. Nama asal Tokyo Yote. Ingat aku lah. Uji ke tu? Aku tak berapa ingat sangat. Okay, apa ni? Ni memang galan dia lah. Cakap apa?
Not exactly welcoming.
Walk away. There is trouble inside.
I won't be long.
Oh, kena makan.
It's her.
Okay. Best lawan ni. Okay. Ready. Oh, alah nak keluar. Nak lawan. Berapa orang lagi lawan ni? 4 orang. Oh, 4 orang je.
Are you lost?
I'm looking for some old friends. The Yote Six.
Show her the door.
Orang ni pergi kedai ke? Oh, jaga orang tu terlempar. Aku ingat yang lelaki terlempar daripada besar tu. Okay, jadi. Oh,
Lord
yeah.
Saito's put a price on your head.
Tell me, how much am I worth to the Yote Six?
kau. Kat kau dulu. Kau lempar aku kan, ha? Kau lempar aku pada tempat tak guna. Lihat kat sini. Make kau. Aku bakar kau. Tak main. Okay. Tu. Dua. Make kau. Oh lama. Ada lagi. Sekejap macam ni. Dodge arrow. Okay. Okay. Mati kau. Memang kau agak dah pemanahan selalu yang lembik ni. Ambil. Ambil. Siapa lagi? Ui. Mana tu? Alamak. Sekejap kan.
Someone call for help! She's a demon!
Demon babak lu. Aku tak lupa je nak baling. Sekejap. Ambil. Lepas tu kasi 3 Kan. Oh ni lah. Ambil kau. Itu makan dia. Oh ada lagi.
They're all dead! Uma did this? And Onryo. Quiet! Don't let that bitch scare you! We are going to kill you! Then burn this place to the ground!
Ilmu apa dia ada ni? Macam oh. Ilmu. Oh, dia memang ada ability untuk takut orang. Oh, tak apalah dia. Ability takut orang. Make kau. Make hati. Mati. Mana yang hebat-hebat tu? Lah, datang lagi. Berapa ramai kau orang semua ni? Miss. Dekat pun miss weh. Surat duit tak ada ni. Sekejap ni. Ambil kau. Wish. Nampak tu je. Ini kau apa? Kau Mongol? Dia mekanism sama je Mongol ke tak? Apa? Ambil. Ilah berapa ramai kau orang semua ni? Habis tadi. Woi, orang-orang. Woi, apa hal ni? Ambil kau. Ambil kau. Apa lagi? Kau lempar aku daripada kedai kan? Kau ajar betul. Geram ni. Pijak dia kak. Pijak dia kak.
You never answered my question. How much am I worth to the Yote 6?
Berapa harga 6 Jahanam bayar?
Lord Saito is cheap.
He owns this island.
For now.
Oh. Apa pula golak tu? Ya, boleh gelak lagi. Aku ingat orang dari belakang ke apa? Sekarang.
I just repaired that sign.
What do I owe you?
Me?
If anything, I owe you for getting rid of those men. Why don't you patch up in one of the rooms? Free of charge.
Oh, terima kasih. Wih, kita dapat hotel free sehari. The all in